Opening your Pinterest business account. I'll show you in this video how to open a business account so you have access to all the top marketing tools that they have for business here on Pinterest.com. So in order to open your business account, or if you already have a Pinterest account, your personal account, we can convert that account to business for free. And if you don't have any accounts on Pinterest, that's fine too. You can follow the same steps I'm showing on this video. First step, we go to business.pinterest.com. I will share this link also in the resources area. If you want to download the PDF with the links, you will find that there. Here we are on the Pinterest, also on the business.pinterest.com. If you are seeing a different screen, that's normal. Pinterest changed the interface for the images and the buttons for this specific screen very frequently. So if you are watching this course in the future, you may find a different page here, but the idea is the same. So here we click on Join as Business on the red button here. Below, of course, you can scroll down the page and see all the advantages you have as a business owner here on Pinterest. Okay, we are ready now to create a new business account or to convert your personal account to a business account here on Pinterest. On this case, to make it easier for you guys, I will just switch my account to a business account. But if you want to create a new one, all you need to do here is click on Log Out and Create. In this case, I am already logged in with my personal credentials. That's why I see this button. So I will click on Switch to a business account, and by doing that, I am converting from personal to business. Here they ask me convert to a business account. This is my email, excellent. Business name, let's add my name here. What's the business type? Of course, here you add the name of your business. The business type, let's say photographer, public, media, brand, retailer, online marketplace, local business, institution, or other. I will say professional on this case. Is required, in order to have a business account, is required for you to have a website. And later here on the model, we will verify your website to make sure we have all the advantages, the algorithm, the ranking advantages that we have by having a verified account. Okay, so let's enter my website here. Let's see here, diegodavila.com. Click on convert. Okay, here we are on my profile right now. You can sometimes, after creating your business account, Pinterest asks you for interest. So you need to select at least 5 categories that interest you, that are related with your business. On this case, remember that this is a business account, so you need to select options and you need to select categories that are related with your business or your products and services. So here we are on my account. You see here my website is already here. We will verify that in the next videos, and in the next video we'll continue creating your Pinterest business profile. See you there.